The new course of the spring semester 2013 is Probability and Statistics. So the SOL is European University, Faculty of Contemporary Sciences and Technologies. First of all, I will repeat the instructor office hours about that. So I want to say that you have to send me an email to schedule a meeting in Skype. Please make an appointment at least 2 days before meeting. We can use webmail for any kind of communication. The webmail may be used according to requests for additional explanations as well. Also, I want to mention that we are going to use Adobe Connect just once a week during my consultation hours. It will be every Friday from 14 to 15. So we can contact directly by the Adobe Connect, and if you have to get additional explanations for everything concerning this course, we'll do that every Friday from 14 to 15. Now let me make an essential description about this course. As a result of different requests to find the answers of different problems and exercises of vernacular life and social, economy, computer science, etc. For this subject, we want to provide students with methods for putting different rules, processing of data, representation of data in different manners, characteristics of different quantities, dispersion and norm of data, numerical characteristics, introduction to probability with basic rules of probability, etc. Of course, and also we'll give the parts where we can apply these topics. Also about the mathematical expectation, some theory of some rules of game theory, and so on. Of course, except the theoretical and practical knowledges, basic knowledges, we'll also use some softwares as the Excel application of the corresponding topics. About the description objectives of the course, I want to say that by the end of this course you will be able to understand and develop the basic concepts of probability and statistics and relations between them, understand and identify the concept of population, relative frequency and cumulative frequency. It will be followed by graphical representation, by tabular representation, because in statistics the data are not given always in the proper way, so constructing the corresponding proper tables you will be able to read and to analyze this data, then to understand and be able to represent the data in form of different diagrams, understand and be able to resolve different problems concerning arithmetic mean, median, mode, harmonic and geometric mean as central tendencies, of course. Understand and be able to resolve different problems concerning dispersion and standard deviation, so to analyze relations between them, to analyze in which case we have the better situation and better results. Understand the concept of even probability of an event and its characteristics. Understand and apply the concept of conditional probability. Understand and be able to resolve different problems using Bayes' formula. Understand and apply different forms of distributions. And finally, understand and apply the concept of mathematical expectations. About the attendance policy, you already know, because it's the rules are the same for this course as well. So I will repeat that students are required to use Libri and regularly to send the homework at the end of each week. About the incomplete grade, I want to mention that it will be assigned when less than 50% of homeworks are done, and if the students do not take part either in both midterm exams or on the final exam. Feedback will be given in a timely manner, usually 1 week after submission. Please feel free to contact me via email or Adobe Connect for any question or issue that you have. About the plagiarism, the rule is the same. Plagiarism will not be tolerated. Anything plagiarized automatically results in a 0 for the assignment. Please note that plagiarism is any copied material from the internet, a book or a classmate. About the grading policy, I want to mention that it remains the same as in the previous courses. So during this semester you will have 2 midterm exams, so you can take part in 2 midterm exams, both of them of 30%. Very important thing, as you know, is solving the homework. It is also 30%, and both activity and discussion via Adobe Connect or via webmail, of course. You can have 10% of your grade. I want to mention that homework is very important in this case, and I want to specify that you must be regularly in sending your homework. You know that on the end of every week, on the second Sunday, is a deadline for sending your homework. And as you know, that 30% is a big percent, so be careful in this category. Of course, there is another possibility. If you decide to not take part to the midterm exams, you can come to the final exam, and the final exam has 60%, the other percentages are the same. Of course, the students who are not satisfied by the grade by 2 midterm exams, they have also possibility to take part in the final exam. And the homework and the activity percent is the same. So the grading scale, you know. Thank you about everything, and I'm looking forward to start by the work.